Hey there, welcome back to the Nail Chronicle. This week I've got a really quick design ahead of all the Halloween fun that will happen in next month. So I wanted to do something quick and simple that will kind of look cute as well. So I started this design out actually by selecting the stickers that I was going to use, and so I went with these really cute gold butterfly ones that I've had for a while but just haven't quite known what I was going to use them for. I decided that the gold would pair really well with a nice blue, so I went with blue by Smith & Co, and this one's kind of like a sky blue, so it's it would sort of enhance the gold of the stickers and make them sort of stand out as well. The only problem that I had with these stickers was that they were a pain to get off the sticker sheet. They just would not budge no matter what I did. Eventually I found that by sort of folding the sticker sheet in half, or where the sticker was that I wanted to remove, and then using a pair of tweezers just to gently lift it up, that worked the best. Once I'd got the sticker off, I then transferred it to my hands, and instead of using the tweezers, I used my hands to place the sticker on my nail. The reason for that is I just find I have a lot more control with my hands rather than using a pair of tweezers, so this is just the method I prefer. This was followed by a couple of coats of top clear coat, and that was the design. It was super easy. This is why I love using nail stickers. I can create anything without too much thought and too much pressure. So I hope this gives you some ideas on a quick and easy nail art design. Looking forward to all the Halloween designs that are coming out next week. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until I see you next week, bye!